Today I'm going to go ahead and review the Leatherman Wave for you. It's the newer model, the latest model out. You go ahead and start off with the blade selection. You got your standard clean edge blade here. Other side, get a saw. Can be useful. And then we have a more of a serrated blade for, other types of cutting. And just a standard file. Next to that, got a little bit of lint in there for my pocket. So, moving on inside, you have a variety of tools. First, you have this screwdriver that has interchangeable bits. I've got a few sets, offers a variety. You have your can opener / bottle opener. By the way, all these tools are locking, completely lock out, which can be useful when you're doing stuff so it doesn't slip on you. Solid set of needle nose pliers with the wire cutter. Moving to the other side, you get your large flat tip screwdriver. Inside of that, you have your micro screwdriver, which the older model I don't believe had. Again, this is changeable. And then a good sharp pair of scissors. On the inside, you can see a measuring device. And if you flatten it out, you can use the entire length of it, which is pretty cool. Leatherman Wave.